ready to refresh your online identity and give your Twitter profile a brand new look. Here's your super simple guide to changing your username on Twitter. First, navigate to your Twitter profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, which is usually located in the bottom or left-hand corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically found near your profile picture and bio. Click on that. Now, you'll see a section for your username. This is where the magic happens. The username is the handle that appears after the @ symbol. Simply click into this field. Delete your current username and type in your new, chosen handle. Twitter will let you know if the username is already taken. If it is, get creative and try a variation. Once you've settled on your new username and confirmed it's available, scroll up and click the Save button. This is usually at the top of the Edit Profile section. And just like that, your username has been updated. Your followers will see your new handle, and you've successfully rebranded your Twitter presence. It's that easy to refresh your social media branding and maintain a consistent image. Happy tweeting with your new username.